How to recognize addiction? Addiction recognition is very important because that's the first stage of getting help, and that involves looking at different aspects of the person's life in terms of his daily functioning, whether he is getting used to substances or whether he is spending more and more time procuring and using those substances, and whether it is affecting his social and occupational functioning in significant ways.
Okay. How does addiction affect families? Addiction alters family dynamics. It leads to a fear of abandonment, increased anxiety in the family members, anger towards the person who is going through substance use disorder, and also a kind of embarrassment or a guilt that the family goes through in exposing that one of their family or one of their loved ones are going through substance use disorder, right? So there is a lot of concern that the family tries to show or tries to bring in to help the family member, but it's just the thin line between where the family is enabling the person or helping the person to come out of the addiction. Hence, the stressors that family go through is affected to all the family members, including children, spouse, or elderly members in the family. Hence, the addiction increases the risk of further addiction to the family members too.
How to help someone with an addiction? So the first thing is not to blame that person. The second thing is to be kind and to listen to them and listen to their perspective of the use of substances, and then to gently nudge them to seek help. And only in the cases when they are in significant denial and there is significant dysfunction because of that, then there could be some coercive treatment.
How to deal with an addict who is in denial? A lot of people who are suffering from addiction are in denial, but they can be directed to seek professional help by others. Firstly, people should understand that they need an ear to listen and offer them help, and very importantly, not to blame them. This will make them feel less excluded and keep them from developing unhealthy behavioral patterns, hence seeking treatment. How to deal with an addict partner, parent, or child? Know that it's not your fault or responsibility to heal them. It's important to be their support and direct them to seek professional help, but also acknowledge the issues and detrimental effects of addiction itself on the relationships. Take care of your mental health as a priority. Reach out for professional help too.